Hi, we are on day 5 of the miles trip. We started from Namakkal around 6 a.m. in the morning. We traveled about 230 kilometers and we reached Ambur. We have visited Farida Exports, one of the biggest players in this locality, and they are about $329 million revenue around it. Farida Exports mostly works in a B2B market. They are a contract manufacturer for major uh, American and Polish and German brands. The three major challenges that we saw from this particular industry were primarily the one, they were not able to get the same amount of traction in the B2C. They are primarily dependent on their customers and contract manufacturing. They have good amount of margins, about 20% is what we understood from them, but they are never able to scale up to a B2C because they didn't. Their efforts are not in the direction of building their own brand. So, which is one of the biggest challenge. The second challenge that we observed is that the whole industry is so dependent on animal leather. The growing population of vegan and non-killing and non-animal leather is something that they are not really prepared for. Though when we asked this question, they were one of their executives were mentioning that they are in a premium market, so they would still probably be able to survive because of the quality that they provide to their customers, and those customers are still a premium brand who deal at niche customer segments, so they might still have business, but this is another challenge that they are looking at. And the third challenge is the growing pollution control. They While they did a really good thing that they have formed Ambur Tech, it's like Ambur uh, uh, effluent treatment company limited. All the tanners came together, they formed a private limited company, so they made a huge setup in terms of effluent treatment. They almost convert about 80% of their waste into useful water, and they reuse all of them. So this has already been done, but growing regulation, how do they prepare for the growing and upcoming regulations? And then the scalability, their scalability is also at stake, because this is purely a community and a local Ambur kind of ecosystem, which probably is difficult to imitate or imitable at a different location. So these are the three challenges that we understood from this visit.